Hello everyone, I am Siddhant and I am planning to go to Canada for my higher studies. My band score in CD IELTS is 8.5 with 9 in listening and writing, in reading and 7.5 in writing and speaking. There are so many universities in Western and Central Europe who accept only IELTS or their own test. So it's better you go for IELTS and have opportunities open in so many universities rather than taking the specific test for each university. Secondly, when you are preparing for IELTS, don't believe in rumors. Go to someone who has already taken the IELTS test. You will find so many people on Instagram or any other platform which you are comfortable with. The simple thing is, just think about like this. If you want to go somewhere, you will talk to someone who has already been through that journey or who has experienced that. You will not consult someone who is just sitting there and not doing anything. So rumors are circulated by those people only, those who are not doing anything. Talk to someone who has been through the journey, who has taken IELTS, preferably both, and those who have scored high score, so that you can understand what actually goes behind the whole preparation. Coming to the modules, my tips for listening would be that you just have to remove subtitles from everywhere, your life. Because when you will be talking to someone, you will not be seeing subtitles. So if you are interested in listening to podcasts or any movies or serials, you remove the subtitles, and if possible, don't look at the screen also, because in the actual test you will not be seeing the lip movement of the person, you will just be listening to them. Second thing, understand the different accents, because when you go from first section to the fourth section of IELTS listening, the intensity and the speed of the speaker increases. So you have to be more careful about what words they are speaking. In that case, understanding different accents will help. Coming to reading module, it's a hype that the reading is the most difficult section and you have to be a very fast and very avid reader to crack it. No, you don't have to be, because when it comes to reading, there are only 3-4 strategies as to what IELTS is looking for, and you have to understand those strategies from your instructor. For reading, the best thing is find a teacher who has a lot of experience and understand the strategies from them. There's no other shortcut or foolproof method for reading, and just keep on reading different stuffs. I can advise you can go to psychologytoday.com, because this particular website helped me go through different articles and understand different topics also. So there are a list of more than 100 topics and you can read across them. For reading, you just need to understand that the more practice you have done, the more speed you will have in the actual exam environment. There's nothing more to reading section. Coming to writing, you also have to understand that the criteria for the examiner to judge on writing is entirely different compared to other sections. So for writing, you have to be careful about the number of words. Don't cross the 10% of the word limit. The more number of words you write after that, your score will decrease. It's straight away criteria. The second thing is, be concise with the points. Don't repeat what you have already written, be it in the part 1 or be it in part 2. And always look at the question. If the question asks you to give your opinion, then only give your opinion. If it asks you to compare A and B, then do only that. Don't give your opinion. Coming to the last section, speaking. Here again, it is important that you know your instructor and you talk to them that, okay, for speaking I need regular practice, so you practice with me. Because if your instructor or IELTS trainer is not speaking with you on a regular basis, then you will not be able to comfortably speak in the actual exam setup, and speaking happens mostly before the rest of the sections. So it kind of gives you that confidence boost when you have done good in speaking. Okay, the final piece of advice from me is that you do not believe in any rumors about the exam. CD IELTS works good for a lot of people, and I believe it will work for you also. Talk to your trainer. Find a trainer who is best for you. Talk to them about the difference between pen and paper and CD IELTS, and if CD IELTS makes sense for you, please go for it and then prepare accordingly. And that's everything that you need to know about CD IELTS. Thank you.